What's up everyone, welcome back to another video of Dynamic Tech. On this channel I upload PC tutorials nearly about every week, so I would recommend you to subscribe my channel in order to get all the updates. So today I'm gonna tell you how to make your computer using experience smooth in 3 simple steps. So in the first step we're gonna use our maximize CPU and maximize amount of memory. So how do we do it? Simply press and hold Windows key, press R from your keyboard, and in the Run tab type msconfig, which is the short form of the system configuration, and then click OK, and you will see a tab appearing by the name of system configuration, and from here click on the boot. From here click on advanced options and you'll head it to your maximum amount of processors and memory. So from here you have to check this option called number of processors, and then choose all your processors, and then check this option called maximum memory, and then select your maximum memory amount from here, and then click OK, and then click on apply. So in the second step we're going to increase our CPU's responsiveness from the registry editor software. So how do we do it? Simply open the Run with the shortcut I told you before, and in the Run tab type regedit, which is a shortcut of the registry editor application, and then click OK and open registry editor, and here extend HQ local machine. From here extend or maximize software, scroll down and maximize Microsoft. After maximizing Microsoft you will have to find Windows NT folder. So scroll down and you will see Windows NT folder nearly about here. Extend this folder and then extend current version. From here find multimedia folder and then extend this folder, and then click on system profile, and you will see 2 keys appearing, one with the name of network throttling index and second with the system responsiveness. You have to double click on system responsiveness in order to open this key, and from here set the values to 14 in the value data, and make sure you have checked this option hexadecimal. In the third step we're gonna manage power options in order to get full potential of our computer. So how do we do it? Simply right click on start, and here click on the option called power options, and you will be headed to your settings panel. From here choose additional power settings, and here change the settings from balanced to high performance, and then click on change plan settings. Here click on change advanced power settings, and in this panel I maximize power processor state, and then click on the minimum processor state and set this value to 1%, and then make sure you have your system cooling policy active, and then extend maximum power state and then set the settings to 100%. Click on OK and you're all set. Hope you guys found this helpful, and if you really did, then give it a thumbs up and also support my channel by subscribing. So that's all for today guys, thanks for watching.